Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download HappyMod in your smartphone. So let's get started. First open the Play Store app. In the search bar type HappyMod and hit enter. Now scroll down and see if HappyMod is there. As you can see, there is no HappyMod here. So simply close the Play Store and open the Chrome app. In the Chrome app, in the search bar type HappyMod APK latest version and hit enter. Now open the first link which says HappyMod Pro 3.2.3 download official APK 2025. In the official website, scroll down and you will find a download link. You can see a download now button is here. Simply click this button and your download will be started. I hope this video helpful. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Do comment down. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.